Hey there, welcome back. Today we're hitting the brakes. Whether you're cruising in a classic or pushing the limits in a sports car, your brakes are the unsung heroes of your ride. From stopping power to safety, we're covering everything you need to know about automobile brakes. Let's hit the gas on this knowledge journey. Brakes are one of the most critical safety components in any vehicle. They allow us to slow down, stop, and control our cars with precision. Understanding how they work and the differences between types can help you maintain your car better and make informed choices. So let's start with the basics. Most car brake systems operate on hydraulic principles. When you press the brake pedal, it activates a master cylinder that pushes brake fluid through the brake lines. This hydraulic pressure is then transferred to the brake calipers, which squeeze the brake pads against the rotors, creating friction that slows down the vehicle. Here we have the brake rotor caliper and pads. When the caliper squeezes the pads against the rotor, friction is created, converting kinetic energy into heat and bringing the car to a stop. There are several types of brakes used in automobiles, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. Let's take a look at the most common ones. First, we have disc brakes. These are the most common type found in modern vehicles. They consist of a brake disc, caliper, and pads. Disc brakes offer excellent stopping power and heat dissipation, making them ideal for high performance and everyday driving. Next, we have drum brakes. These are often found on older vehicles and some modern cars' rear wheels. Drum brakes consist of a brake drum, shoes, and wheel cylinder. While they are cheaper to manufacture and can be effective, they are generally less efficient at dissipating heat compared to disc brakes. Then, there's the emergency brake, also known as the parking brake. This system is independent of the main hydraulic brakes and is typically used to keep the vehicle stationary when parked. It can be either a hand-operated lever or a foot pedal. Modern vehicles are equipped with advanced braking systems like anti-lock braking system. ABS prevents the wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing the driver to maintain steering control. When you brake hard, ABS rapidly pulses the brake pressure, preventing the wheels from skidding and ensuring maximum contact with the road surface. This is especially useful in slippery conditions. Another advanced system is brake assist. This technology detects emergency braking situations and applies maximum brake pressure to reduce stopping distances. It's a great safety feature that can help prevent accidents. Different vehicles have different braking needs. Sports cars often have high-performance disc brakes for superior stopping power. Trucks and SUVs may use larger brakes to handle heavier loads. Understanding these differences can help you appreciate the specific needs of your vehicle. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just a regular driver, understanding your brake system is essential for safe driving. Make sure to keep your brakes well maintained and choose the right type for your driving needs. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, drive safe and brake smart. Until next time, drive safe.